Okay, today we are here at Kong, 3 acres land with bird nest house. I will walk through lah, huh? Everybody can just take a look. So these are for the bigger fish lah. These are for the bigger fish, and that's the bird nest house. Quite big. The back, that's for small fishes. We'll go into the back to look at something interesting. Hi, chicken. So these are all the small fishes. Super tiny. Actually, camera can't really see them. It's very small. And this one is the egg hatches. You know, when the new one to come, they'll be put here. This is the water filter system. We use the rocks to filter the water. It covers until there. This is also what we mentioned earlier. This is the egg hatching. A lot more capacity to grow actually. All small fishes. You see these fishes, these are very small fish.